Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to dye your discs with shaving cream. I will be telling you what you need and how to do it, so let's get on into it. First thing you're going to need is a disc of a premium plastic from any brand. Base plastics do not work. The second thing you're going to need, and probably the most important, is your RIT dye or iDye poly, whatever, as long as it is synthetic. Otherwise it will not adhere to the plastics. Second, you are going to need shaving cream. Does not matter the brand. I picked this up at Dollar Tree. All of them work the same. Next, you are going to need something to put your disc in. I use this Tupperware container that I also got from my local Dollar Tree. You can use old Frisbee disc, anything that'll fit a normal size disc. Some other things you might want are these like tie-dye bottles just to keep your dye in so it's easier to spread, and a flat edge to smooth out your shaving cream before you put your dyes in. Now with that being said, let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is put your shaving cream into your Tupperware container and flatten it out with your flat edge. I already did that. The next thing we're going to do is take our disc and our colors for our dye. I am doing a blue and a red. And we are going to just put them in the shaving cream and around the area we think the disc will be when we put it face down into the shaving cream. All right, so I've gone ahead and put my dye in. One thing to note is that it doesn't really matter where the dye goes in, as long as you are going for like a specific pattern or any sort of particular look, you can kind of just throw it in there and see what happens. One thing to keep in mind when you're dyeing disc is there's no wrong way to have it come out. It's just supposed to be different than what it looks like originally. So once we have our dye put in there, we're going to take our disc and put it domed down into the dye. And we want to push it just so that the shaving cream sits right around the edge of the rim. So we're going to go ahead and push this in. And we're going to leave this sitting here for probably about 8 to 10 hours. Usually I'm just gonna end up leaving it overnight and cleaning it off in the morning. So yeah, we'll check back in when these are all ready. All right, everyone, so it's the morning. I rinsed off my disc in cold water, and as you can see, the red is a very vibrant red. I love how this turned out. So yeah, that's how easy it is to dye your disc with shaving cream. And you know, I just hope this was helpful for everyone, and make sure you leave a comment, subscribe if you want, share it with a friend, and I hope to keep bringing you content like this in the future. Have a good round.